Hello everyone, I am Shivtosh, co-founder of Sugarfit. Living with diabetes is a journey and navigating through the world of medications can be a significant part of that experience. So today, we are diving into an essential topic for those managing diabetes, the potential side effects of diabetes medications. While diabetes medications are crucial for managing blood sugar level, it's essential to be aware of possible side effects that may occur. Firstly, not everyone experiences these side effects and they can vary depending on the type of medication. Common side effects include nausea, stomach upset, or headaches. Weight gain is another major concern with certain medications which can be challenging for those trying to manage their weight as a part of their diabetes management plan. Some medications may also pose a high risk of hypoglycemia or lowering down of your blood sugar levels, leading to symptoms like dizziness, sweating, confusion. If you are experiencing any unusual symptoms or side effect, it's important to communicate with your healthcare provider. They can help adjust your medication or explore any alternate options. Remember, the benefits of managing diabetes often outweighs potential side effects. Regular communication with your healthcare team is key to finding the right balance for your health. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, please hit on subscribe button for more insightful content about diabetes. I'll see you in the next one.